Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. We are here with another video. FYI, y'all feeling this makeup look? Y'all should be feeling this makeup look. I don't know if it's up before this video or if it's going to be after. So if it's up before this video, then the link is in the description box. But if it's not up yet, then definitely make sure you guys are subscribed. Notification bell is on. But you guys can get notified when I do upload this makeup. Oh, look, honey, because she's a keeper. I am here with a haul. I just really wanted to do this haul really quick because these products have been sitting in this box for about a good 3 weeks, and I want to play around with this stuff, but I just like, I gotta wait because I have to show you guys what I got because I'm trying to put y'all up on game, okay? I'm trying to let y'all know what I'm buying so y'all can get your hands on it too, okay? So it's just a little quick little Elfie haul. Oh wait, this is gonna be a cute little thumbnail. Hold up, let's capture this real quick. So like I said, I put in this order about a good 3 weeks ago, and I just haven't showed you guys the stuff. And I'm like, I need to put the stuff up so that way I can try this stuff out and all that good stuff. But I like to do these hauls first because I like to show you guys what I got, so that way if you guys see something that I haven't tried yet, y'all can put me up on game like, girl, sis, don't use that. That ain't good. That ain't good. Or if you guys see something in the haul you guys are probably curious about and was thinking about purchasing it, you guys want me to be the guinea pig and try this stuff out first, you know, you can leave me a comment like, girl, give me an update, keep me updated on such products. So that's why I like to do hauls, okay? So I'm gonna start off with the skincare stuff that I bought from e.l.f. Yeah, don't sleep on the e.l.f. skincare product. I have 2 of them that I've tried in the past before, and I don't even remember them, but I can't even find them. So I'm hoping this is what it was that I used. Like, I don't even remember the packaging or what it was, but I remember that I did like the product, and I know it had e.l.f. on it, so I don't know. The first thing I got, this is called the Hydrated Ever After Skincare Mini Kit. So I did pick up a mini kit of this because I didn't know if this was going to be like the real deal Holyfield. You know, I don't want to just try something and I don't like it. So I just tried a little mini portion of this collection, this set. So if I do like it, of course, I will definitely go ahead and purchase full bottles of this stuff. So in here, it comes with a eye cream, a cleansing balm. Y'all know I like my cleansing balm. A face cream, which is a moisturizer. Hydrating booster drops. This is where I was curious about. And then the Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. So this definitely has some good items in this set. And I know for sure that I was gonna like this cleanser. I think this is the one that I like, so I'm just already thinking ahead of time. I did purchase a big size of the cleanser, but I definitely will keep you guys updated. So now that I showed you guys these products, I definitely will be trying this stuff out sometime this week because I'm ready to try some new skincare products. And then another thing that I got, this is another mini face set. This is called the Superior Skincare Mini Trio. This was like highly recommended on the website when I was looking for skincare products. Sorry, it's a little noisy, so. But in this trio, let me find the stuff what's in here. In this trio, you're getting, the first product is a clarifying cleanser. So it's another cleanser product that I'm so anxious to try. This is the main reason why I got this one. This is a toner. That one didn't come with an extra toner, and I love using toners. They just put everything back in place to your skin. You know, they minimize them big old pores of mine. So I definitely need a toner in my skincare routine. So I definitely will be trying this out. And then the last thing that came in here was another hydrating moisturizer product. So I'm excited. I don't know which one to try first. I don't know if I'm going to combine the 2 skincares together, but I will definitely keep you guys updated. So stay tuned. If you guys want to have an update on the skincare, just let me know down in the comment section down at the bottom. So y'all know e.l.f. recently came out with this little mint collection, and this is when it first came out. This would tell you how long I had these products. So when this first came out, I took advantage of the mint collection, but every time I kept putting things inside my cart and I was trying to process my order, it kept saying that it was an error, saying that something was in my cart was, you know, either gone or I couldn't fulfill my order. And y'all, that stuff was selling out so quickly. But if I'm not mistaken, I think this is now sold inside the stores. If not, then you guys gotta check out e.l.f. online. So the first thing I got from the Mint collection was this brush set. I definitely want to take advantage and try different, you know, makeup brushes because I really like e.l.f. brushes. I think majority, no, I won't say majority. Some of the brushes that I use are from e.l.f. and y'all, the quality, don't sleep on e.l.f. brushes. They are really good, okay? And the next thing I got was a lip plumper. I don't know why I got this. I don't need my lips plump, but I just wanted to try it. I forgot what brand lip plumper I've tried before, but I really like how it does plump up these nice juicy lips already. You know, I already got natural juicy lips, but when you plump these up just a little bit, like my lips look, they be looking good. So I wanted to try a plumper by e.l.f. So, and plus the color of it's pretty. It's minty. It's minty green. It's cute. So I definitely wanted to try that. And then I was trying to get both of the 4 quad eyeshadows that's in this collection, but of course the one that has the actual mint green color sold out, so I just only got one. But I definitely want to go and get the other one because I've been seeing some really good tutorials and reviews using that minty green eyeshadow, so I definitely want to go back and get it. But you guys will be seeing a tutorial of me using this product definitely soon. Definitely wanted to try out a few of e.l.f. eyeshadows because I feel like I haven't like try any updated like e.l.f. eyeshadows. I think like the last time I probably purchased an e.l.f. like eyeshadow or an eyeshadow palette has been ooh, I'm about to say 7 years, 8 years. It's been a long time since the last time I purchased an e.l.f. eyeshadow, but they were good back then. That was like my actual first like drugstore brand that I've ever tried because it was very affordable. So I wanted to take it back to the old school day of using more drugstore relatable products. So I took advantage and I bought this palette. I got mixed reviews on this palette because I was trying to see what was like the hottest like e.l.f. palette, and I wasn't really getting like a clear understanding of which one was popping. So I just took advantage of this because I feel like this one definitely has a little bit more mattes for me to play around with. You know, I love me some mattes, and then it has a little bit of like the metallic formula of eyeshadows in here as well. And then the color story, I know this, I can't really see it, but okay. And then the color story in this palette, y'all, look at it. It is very different. It is unique. It's pretty. Definitely giving you neutral vibes, but you have like splash of colors that you can definitely ump your looks with. We got this beautiful blue that I'm oh my gosh, I didn't even see this. So this right here, I feel like this is giving me my minty green eyeshadow that I didn't get, but I feel like I'm going to get it in this palette. What else? This blue is very pretty. Oh, and this brown, I was like, oh, I got me a nice crease color, transition color. So I can definitely do a lot with this palette. I don't even want to swatch it. Oh, I just swatched this blue by accident, and this is just a little quick little swatch I did, and it's pigmented. Okay, so I'm here for this palette. I'm excited to try this out, so y'all stay tuned. If y'all want to see a tutorial of me using this palette, then definitely thumbs up this video and then leave me a comment down the bottom and say yes girl, yes. And of course I'm going to be doing like a full face of using like all e.l.f. products very soon, so I did take advantage of getting more like full face products from e.l.f. So I picked up a few lip products. I couldn't figure out which one I wanted to go with, so I just picked up a few of them. So the first one, this one's called a liquid matte lipstick, and this one's like a winey pink color. It's very pretty. Love the undertones to it. So I don't want to take it out yet because I will be doing like a first impression, swatching them out very soon. And then I took advantage, of course, y'all know me, I like my nude lips, okay? You can't go wrong with a nude lip. So did I get the two of the same color? Okay, this one, I feel like I had this lipstick before, but then I lost it like a long time ago because, you know, I think I went to like a club or something and I went with my girlfriends, you know, like, girl, hold this in my purse, you know, don't ever be that girl. Bring your own purse, okay? Bring your own purse. But I believe I had this lipstick before and I didn't bring my purse. So I was like, girl, can you put this in your purse? And I never got it back. And I don't even talk to that girl either. She came up with a nice lipstick, okay? So definitely, when you go out, bring your own purse, bring your own clutch. Don't be that girl, okay? But I did pick up two nude lipsticks, and these are very pretty. I feel like in person they look very similar, but I want to say this one is a tad bit lighter than the other one. So these are nice nude pale colors. There we go. You can really see it now. Definitely gonna need a lip liner and some lip gloss to make these go. I thought I bought a lip gloss. Okay, I thought I bought an e.l.f. lip gloss to go, but I guess I didn't. Weird. And then I wasn't sure if like those eyeshadow palettes was gonna work or not, but I was like, just in case, I definitely want to try some of these liquid eyeshadows. So I did pick up 3 of them, and I believe these are considered to be the metallic ones. So these are gonna be very shiny and bright, and I really love the colors that I did pick out. They had so many to pick from, and I hate shopping online in a sense because like sometimes the color of the pictures, like you're not sure if that picture is what you're really going to get in person. But I think what I ordered, I think this is what I was picturing in person. Definitely am excited to try these out. And I noticed that e.l.f. didn't really have good like shades range when it came to like blushes, like in the matte category. Like I didn't really find anything that I felt like would be appealing to my complexion. So I did pick up this Putty Blush. I've never heard of a Putty Blush. So I know with their Putty Primer, so this is gonna be like a sticky creamy formula. So I've never used a cream blush, so this is going to be very different and interesting, but I definitely wanted to give it a try because like I said, I wanted to do a full face makeup tutorial, and I feel like with this color range, I feel like this is definitely going to show up on my complexion. So you will be very curious on this, okay? So y'all stay tuned. Nisha just getting stuff that she ain't never worked with, okay? And then the last thing that I purchased from e.l.f., I got an actual foundation. Y'all know I love me some e.l.f. foundation. So I have a total of 3 of these now. And let me tell y'all a quick little story, okay? So when I got the first 2 foundations at my local drugstore, that's been about a cool maybe 2 years ago, the shades that I picked, neither one of them matched. Neither one of them. And I kept going back to the store. I'm like, okay, there's no colors that goes in between the colors. And for a minute, I just thought that was just the color selection they had, period. But no. So when I looked on the website, I was like, let me just see if they have more ranges on the website. And sure enough, they did. So what I did is I picked the color that was right in the middle of the 2 foundations that I got, because one is too light and the other is too dark. So I feel like this one, I'm hoping and crossing my fingers that this one matches. So we will be giving this a try. But y'all know I love the darker one. I mix it with my Becca foundation. Y'all have seen me use that plenty of times. I think it's in the shade Mocha, and it's beautiful. So this shade right here is called Sienna. That is so funny, Sienna, okay? Let me tell you why it's so funny, because the Becca foundation that I use, it's the same name, Sienna. I didn't realize like foundations like use the same brown, like dark skin name. Sienna, Mocha, Mahogany, you know? It's like they all use the same little foundation names and stuff. But anywho, I will be giving this a try when I do my full face e.l.f. makeup tutorial. So the last 2 items that came in my box, I didn't purchase these. These came with, if you buy like a certain amount of items, you get a free product. So I did have 2 separate orders, but they both came at the same time. So I put in an order with the skincare products first, and then I put in another order with the makeup, because I was trying to figure out what was going on and why I couldn't get that, you know, the mint collection. And you know, later I found out that this stuff was selling out. So my first free item that I got with the skincare set, this is a makeup brush. Oh my gosh, I'm telling y'all, do not sleep on e.l.f. brushes, okay? This is really soft. I feel like I would use this. What is this considered to be? This might be a foundation brush. I feel like for me, I would use this probably for foundation or for my setting powder to put all over the face, or I can use this for my blush. But definitely this is very soft. I will be using this, so don't worry. Nisha gonna put this into use, okay? This is a nice quality brush, y'all. It's very nice though. And I love the fact that it's pink. I know pink is my favorite color. And then the last free item that I got with my second order, this is the highlighting holographic duo, why can I read it better when I'm looking at it? But when I was reading the words, I couldn't get it out. So I definitely wouldn't have picked this out personally on my own. But being that it was free, you know, you got to pick your free items, but I didn't want another brush, and then the other free items that they did have available for me to pick through, I didn't really like them, so. I think it's very, oh, nah. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is very nice. I love e.l.f. packaging, especially being a drugstore brand and affordable too. This is really pretty, but I don't know if I would use these highlighters though. Let me see. Oh no. No, I don't think I would use these highlighters. Maybe this one. Maybe this little white color one. Let me show you what it looks like first. So they look nice. They look like they could have been nice, but it is a holographic one. So you're getting more than one different shades when you swatch them. It's like that rainbow reflect. But definitely I can't use these as a, wait, hold up, hello mirror. The mirror is bomb in here, hold up. Definitely can use this when I'm doing my tutorial. This mirror is clear and it is a nice little pocket size. I like that, but I don't see myself using this as an actual highlighter for what it is, you know, meant for. I will probably use these for like eyeshadows and stuff. So that's why I did put this in. I was like, just in case I don't like it to be in highlighter, I definitely will use this for like eyeshadows or like inner tear duct colors. Y'all know I like my inner bling bling, okay? So I definitely will be giving this a try. So y'all stay tuned for the e.l.f. beatdown. I'm excited. Now that I showed you guys the stuff, I'm definitely excited to do tutorials using the stuff that I got. So I definitely will probably be up. When would I have it up? When you guys see this video, I will have it up within a couple of days, probably next week, okay? So stay on top of me, be like, sis, where the e.l.f. at? Where that e.l.f. beat down at be at, okay? So definitely stay on top of me, because sometimes I mention things you guys forget. So I've been trying to get in the habit when I mention something to write it down, so that way I will remember to do it. So I'm not a procrastinator or nothing like that. I just, honestly, I got a mom brain and I forget a lot of things that I mention. So I apologize if I mention things and I haven't done it yet. So stay on top of me and make sure I do them, okay? That was all the stuff that I got from e.l.f. Cosmetic. I'm definitely excited to try this stuff out. I feel like I picked out some really good stuff. Y'all, ooh, I'm so excited. So if you guys want to check out e.l.f., I will have, I will try my best to have all the links of all the stuff that I talked about in here if I can find them, because sometimes I can't find them. So I will have them listed down in the description box just in case you guys want to check any of the stuff out that I mentioned. But I will definitely be updating you guys up with the skincare stuff, and I definitely will be back with a makeup tutorial of me using this stuff. So y'all stay tuned. I'm excited to try this stuff out. But I want to thank you guys in advance for watching this. If you guys click that play button, if you guys clicked on this video and you watch it, and especially if you're watching it right now to the very end, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button on this video and leave me a comment. Let me know of any other stuff that I showed you guys. What are you guys curious for me to come back and do a tutorial with? Or if you guys tried any other stuff, let me know. Like, girl, yes, this is bomb. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be amazing. Like, give me your review on the stuff that I showed you guys. Like, I definitely appreciate y'all. Definitely appreciate y'all opinions. So let me know if y'all tried any other stuff out. Let me know down in the comment section. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys all in another video.